In this video, I'll show you how to set a stop loss on Margex, step by step. Quick reminder, a stop loss closes your trade automatically at the level you choose. There are a couple of simple ways to choose that level, by looking at the support zone on the chart or by using a risk percentage of your deposit. Now let's see how to do this right inside the Margex interface. Here in Margex, we already have the chart open. Move the cursor to the recent price action. See this area where the market dropped and bounced back up? That's the last support zone, sitting around 87,600. Using the support-based method, a stop loss slightly below this zone, for example, 87,500, makes sense. Now let's look at stop loss from a risk management perspective. Assume a $100 deposit and a 5% risk per trade. That means the maximum loss is $5. Now let's move straight to the Margex interface and set the stop loss based on risk. Step 1. Open your position panel. Here you'll see all position details, including take profit and stop loss. Step 2. Select the stop loss field. Click the box labeled stop loss. Step 3. Set the risk percentage. In the stop loss settings, switch to percentage-based input. Enter -5%. This is 5% of your deposit, not 5% of the price. Margex automatically calculates the exact price level for you. You'll immediately see a preview showing the estimated loss. If everything looks correct, continue. Step 4. Click Confirm. Your stop loss is now active. Remember, a stop loss protects your account when the market moves fast. Use it every time you trade.